I'm going to be replacing the cabin filter for this ML350 W166 chassis. So the air intake for the cabin is on the passenger side. So this is a right-hand drive car. So this is the passenger side here. So to get to the filters, it's just a matter of just pulling this back. And this plastic thing here just lifts up. So just lift up from here, just loosen a bit there, that comes out. There's these three things here that goes into this hole when you reinstall it. So there's three clips. There's one here, you just pull it across, another one here, pull that across, and this one here you just lift up, and this one lift up, that comes out. So this is the pre-filter, you just pull that out. So note the airflow arrow when you put a new one in, and there's the activated carbon filter. There's two pieces. So this pre-filter is actually an activated carbon filter. That's why it looks very black. So it's not too bad. And this other filter here is also activated carbon, and also look not too bad. So there's two of them. There's the other one. So the new filter is a Ryco. So just watch the direction of the airflow when you're reinstalling it. One, and that's the other one. So the new filters are in there. I had to squeeze it quite a bit to get it to fit. Okay, for the pre-filter I'm using a MAAN CU25002. So watch the airflow arrow. Just to install these, just put this the bottom bit down, and then we just squeeze the top bit in, and that's a snug fit. And to reinstall this piece, so there's these two things here that goes into the two holes down there. Just line it up and put the three clips back. So I've got the three clips back, and now we put this other piece back. So just line up the tabs. You just put this rubber back, push it back, and that's it, that's finished. Thanks for watching.